Hello, this is Ghostly Razor. This is a little tutorial on how to get your computer to go to sleep. I had a problem earlier, and there's a lot of people having this problem that your computer, when you try to put it to sleep, it won't go to sleep. The screen goes blank, and it's like it goes to sleep, but the computer's still running. It ends up being, at least on mine, there's several things you can turn on and off for the go to sleep. But this is probably everybody's main issue. It has to do with the Windows media sharing. It's probably a new thing they added, and it won't let your computer go to sleep unless you tell it to turn it off so it can go to sleep. So what you need to do is go to the Start menu, go to Control Panel, and go to System and Securities, and go to Power Options. And this will pull up your power plans. You can check whatever power plan you're on to make sure that, for one, you're allowed to put your computer to sleep. If it's on never, it won't go to sleep either. So you need to check that first. Then go back to this main screen, the power options screen. Go to change when my computer sleeps, and go to advanced. This will pull up this window. I already had it up, but it pulls up this window here. Get rid of that. And down in this window, there's the option. If you scroll down, there is multimedia settings. When sharing media, set the settings. Set it to allow computer to sleep. It will probably be on prevent idling to sleep. Okay, if that's selected, it's not going to go to sleep. So select the allow the computer to sleep, apply, and then press OK. And then if you put it to sleep, it should go to sleep. If not, there could be other issues. We'll go back to this. We'll go back to the advanced setting. There's also a where is it here? Oh, sleep section here. There's a sleep after, and if this is your settings, allow wake timers. Okay, these are things that can wake your computer up. If you really can't go to sleep, try disabling it completely, so nothing will wake it up, and that should fix the problem. If you enable it, that means like your mouse and keyboard usually are wake items. It will wake it up. So I just disable it. I was having issues. You can always push your power button to wake it from sleep anyway, so you really don't need to wake it with your mouse or keyboard. So that's another thing you can do for the not being able to put your computer to sleep. I mean, I had this problem, and it was frustrating me because I just rebuilt my computer, and I put in a new motherboard and CPU and memory and rebuilt my computer, and all of a sudden I was getting this problem because I wasn't before. So I did a lot of research on this problem, and I tried different things, and nothing was working. Turned off the mouse, the keyboard, did a bunch of stuff. Finally found information on this media sharing. So more than likely, that's your problem. So just make it so it's allowed to sleep, and you should be fine. You can also, if you go to Task Manager, your task scheduler, you can also go down to Media Window. You have to go to Microsoft and then Windows, and then go down to Windows Media Sharing. There's also settings in here. You probably shouldn't have to do that if you just did the first thing I said. But you can also right-click on this and just disable it completely. Of course, then that'll disable it, media sharing completely. So if you want media sharing, you want to do the other thing, and that should solve your problem. So hopefully this helps anybody out that's having that issue about sleeping, putting your computer to sleep. I like to share the information when I get it to anybody out there. So hopefully you guys can put your computer to sleep so you can get a good night's sleep. Thank you.